Hello and welcome to Sports Hub.
So, what a match we witnessed yesterday. And again, the team, with better control over their nerves, emerged victorious. After a wonderful start given by the openers, the train of RCB looked to derail a bit, but AB de Villiers came and steadied the ship. And then in the end, it was Yuzi Chahal who again brought them back into the game after a wonderful innings from Bairstow that was taking the game almost away from the challengers of Bangalore. But credits to Yuzi Chahal and Navdeep Saini who brought them back into the game, and in the end RCB won by 10 runs. So congratulations to the Royal Challengers Bangalore for starting on a winning note. One area where the Sunrisers might have made their mistake in selecting their squad for me is not selecting Kane Williamson. I mean, he was the anchor of the innings in the last season, and this season, how can you drop one of your top prime players? So that was a blunder, and that's what perhaps cost them their game. A Kane Williamson at number three might just have added that extra stability, who could have anchored the innings over the line. So that for me was a blunder from the Sunrisers' point of view. So today we have yet another exciting encounter that is again expected to be a close one, as the Rajasthan Royals will be taking over the Chennai Super Kings. Now the history between these two teams, we can trace it back to the 2008, the inaugural session of IPL, where they met in the finals, with Shane Warne's team emerging victorious. This time the situation is very different. Chennai has already won 3 trophies and Rajasthan are yet stuck with one. Looking at the team on paper, both look a well balanced side. In the Rajasthan side, you have Robin Uthappa, an experienced campaigner, and Steve Smith, Ben Stokes, and Jofra Archer. We all know how lethal Archer can be. And on the other hand, Josh Butler might be taking the day off. So it's very important that Steve Smith and Ben Stokes perform well, and we all know that Rajasthan also has some young talent, especially in the spin attack. So they will come in handy in these spin friendly conditions. Chennai, on the other hand, have started off with a win, so they must be having their confidence much higher because they have started off with a win over the defending champions. And as per Mahendra Singh Dhoni is concerned, I don't think he will be too eager or keen to be making changes to the winning squad. Today seems to be a conflict of two great spin attacks. On one hand, Rajasthan has young spinners like Shreyas Gopal and Mayank Markande, and especially in the spin friendly conditions, they are bound to come in handy. And on the other side, Chennai Super Kings, they too have two quality spinners, two quality leggies to be more precise, because they have many spinners in fact like Jadeja and all. But when it comes to leggies, they have two special quality leggies, Piyush Chawla and Imran Tahir, who are well edged as compared to the Rajasthan counterpart. So basically, it will be a battle between experience and young blood, and it will be an interesting battle to watch out for. When it comes to the batting lineup, both teams have a fairly strong batting lineup. Rajasthan Royals, well, Steve Smith will be leading the side. What can we expect more? With Ben Stokes in the middle order and Jofra Archer taking charge of the fast bowling department, they look a formidable side. Chennai, on the other hand, they are coming after a victory over the defending champions, so they will be high on confidence, and I don't think that they will be making lots of changes in this squad because they're well fit with that and well settled with that squad. Well, on paper, the team whose spin department will be better will emerge victorious today as well, because they're fairly well balanced, both the teams, with decent all-rounders and pretty fairly strong batting lineups as well. When it comes to fast bowlers, on one hand they have Jofra Archer, and on the other hand in Chennai they have NGD. So both the departments balance out each other quite well. So it's all on the spin department, whether Shreyas and Mayank can perform under the pressure, and whether Imran Tahir will be given an opportunity. We will have to wait and watch out. But In my opinion, whichever spin department will edge over the other, they will surely emerge victorious today. So that's all from here. All the best to both the sides. Stay tuned with us for further updates. Thank you.